Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another dessert. This one is pretty much two ingredients and it's meringue and caramel, and it makes this amazing dessert. Very light, fluffy, airy and cloudy and delicious, and I'll just show you guys how to make it. For the dessert itself, we have here 3 egg whites and 3 tablespoons of sugar. And in this recipe, for every egg white you use, you need a tablespoon of sugar. And we're going to use vanilla for some aromatics. You can also use lemon peels or orange peels or whatever you want for aromatics. And a pinch of salt. And for the caramel, here we have 4 tablespoons of water and 100 grams of sugar. Our first step is to make a caramel. So on a heated pan, we're going to add in our sugar. And we're going to do it like we've done earlier with the caramel. So we don't mix it until we see the bubbling around. And I've already made the caramel in my channel a few videos ago, so. Our caramel is ready, and of course you can make it whatever color you want. We just want it this way. So immediately after we take it off the heat, we're going to put it into our mold, and we're just going to cover our mold with it. And you have to work with it quickly before it dries up. You can use any type of mold you want. Now we're just going to put it aside, and we're going to start working with our meringue. Before moving to our next step, we preheat our oven 160 to 170 degrees Celsius, and now we start with our meringues, which of course everyone knows how to make. So egg whites and salt, and then we just beat them up until they are foamy, and then we add our sugar and vanilla, and we mix it in one direction. So I forgot to mention to make sure that your eggs are room temperature. So after they've become this foam, I'm going to add my vanilla powder to my sugar, and I'm going to add the sugar to my egg mixture 2 times. So at 2 times, we're going to split it in 2, and we're going to add the half now, mix it, and then add the other half. So our meringue is ready. As you can see, it has made some stiff peaks. So now we're just going to assemble it all and bake it. We're going to add our meringue to our mold easily, slowly. So you just pour some in and you smoothen it out. So as it turns out, our mixture didn't fill our tray. So this way, I wanted to rise and I wanted to be fluffy. So I'm just going to add 2 more egg whites and 2 tablespoons of sugar. And this is the perks of this dessert, that you can control the amount that you have. Just my desired height. Now I'm just going to take a paper towel and like just clean out the edges, and then I'm going to put it in a tray with a water bath, like a hot water bath, and we're going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes, but of course keeping constant watch. So now I'm just going to bake it for 35 to 40 minutes and just keep an eye on it while it bakes. Just took it out of the oven, and as you can see, it's nice and golden brown. It's very soft and fluffy to the touch. So now we're just going to cover it, and we're going to let it chill in the fridge overnight before we serve it. So this is the overall product. This is what it looks like after it has chilled. We've decorated it with some crushed peanuts and almonds. And just from its looks, it looks very light and airy and spongy. I could easily eat the entire thing and not feel like heavy, because usually when you eat desserts, like if you eat a large amount, you'll feel so heavy afterwards. But I think that this, you can eat as much as you want and you won't really feel like you're heavy or anything. So I'll just slice it and show you guys what it looks like from the inside. So now that we've sliced it, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's very light and airy and cloudy. So let's just give it a try. Very fluffy and cloudy and sweet. It's amazing. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow us on our Instagram and Facebook so you guys can support me to make more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.